that the seat is going forward, the backrest is going forward. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the seat on a car. I'm going to show you how to adjust the seat, how you can change the lumbar. I think that's what you call it, lumbar. I'm showing you how to raise the seat, lower it, bring it forward so your feet can touch the gas pedals and brake pedals, most importantly, on a car. I'm going to show you, it may, things may be different on your vehicle, but this is a general way on how to do it. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the vehicle, or the vehicle door is open, and you see the seat that is right here. This seat right here, it is an automatic adjustment. Now, some vehicles may have a manual. This one does not. The manual, it has a lever right here. You can press it right there, pull it up, or pump it, and then there's something in the front where you can just pull it and scoot the seat forward. But on an automatic seat adjustment, what you'll do is you'll come down and you'll see this right here. This right here, it looks like a seat, okay? This looks like the bottom part, this looks like the backrest, and this gives air that gives you a little bit of support in the back right here. And so what I'm gonna do is, I'll show you the air part right here. You press this right here, and it pumps up air in here, and it gives you a little bit more support for your back. You press this one going backwards, it releases the air right there. For instance, you don't need as much support on your back. The next thing I'm gonna show you is how to scoot the seat forward. You just simply go this way, push it forward, and the seat goes right there. If you wanna go backwards, it goes backwards, okay? Now I'm gonna show you how to raise it and lower it, okay? So in order to raise the seat higher, you simply take this, push it upwards. On this one right here, if you push the front part, the actual seat right here raises, but not the back. So it raises your kneecaps up right here. If you wanna lower it, just simply come right here and lower it, just like that. You see it's lowering right here. Now, for the back part, you raise this to raise the entire seat. You just simply push this upwards. You can see it going upwards, and you want it to go down, simply go down, just like that. And for the backrest right here, you simply just go right here. You can raise this forward or push it forward. You can see that the seat is going forward. The backrest is going forward. To go it back, you just simply go right here, press it backwards, and it goes backwards, just like that. And once you get it to the comfortable spot, you just go ahead and get in, or just go ahead and drive away. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.